Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Women beautiful crochet skirt designs, beautiful designing ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, mini, midi and long skirt designs, pencil skirt designs, flare skirt designs, beautiful designing ideas for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of women beautiful crochet skirt designs, crochet skirt patterns. You can easily carry, you can easily move your stylish and beautiful crochet skirts. Beautiful designing ideas for you. Please watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. Gives your feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet skirt designs? Those ladies who love such type of crochet skirts. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.